1973 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5. Price, $26,500. Location, Columbus. The 1973 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5 is the kind of classic luxury sedan that instantly commands attention without needing flashy styling or aggressive lines. Finished in its original factory green GRN paint combined with a stunning cognac interior, this long wheelbase Mercedes captures the golden era of German engineering when cars were built to last for generations. From the moment this timeless sedan appears on screen, viewers will immediately feel transported back to the peak of 1970s automotive elegance. The massive presence of the 280 SEL 4.5 is impossible to ignore. Its chrome bumpers, classic Mercedes hubcaps, Michelin whitewall tires, and beautifully proportioned body design create a sophisticated appearance that still looks expensive today. Every angle of this car reflects handcrafted quality and understated luxury. Unlike many modern sedans filled with unnecessary gimmicks, the W108 Mercedes delivers pure class through simplicity, balance, and timeless styling that continues to impress collectors around the world. The real magic begins under the hood with the legendary 4.5-liter fuel-injected V8 engine. Back in the early 1970s, this powerful Mercedes sedan was considered one of the smoothest and most refined luxury cars available in America. The Bosch mechanical fuel injection system helped deliver seamless acceleration and impressive reliability for its time. Combined with an automatic transmission, power steering, and four-wheel disc brakes, this luxury cruiser offered a driving experience that felt decades ahead of its competitors. The interior of this Mercedes-Benz feels more like a private luxury lounge than a traditional automobile cabin. Rich wood trim covers the dashboard and center console, while the cognac upholstery adds warmth and sophistication. Throughout the interior, the classic VDO gauges, two-spoke steering wheel, factory air conditioning, power windows, and AM/FM radio all remind viewers why Mercedes-Benz became one of the most respected luxury brands in the world. Even after more than 50 years, the cabin still delivers an atmosphere of prestige and comfort that many modern cars struggle to match. The long wheelbase design of the 280 SEL gives rear passengers exceptional space and comfort, making this sedan a favorite among executives, diplomats, and celebrities during its era. This was not simply transportation, it was a symbol of status, success, and refined taste. The elegant suspension tuning allows the car to glide smoothly over the road, while the V8 engine provides effortless power whenever needed. Watching this classic Mercedes cruise down the highway today feels like watching a moving piece of automotive history. The best part about this 1973 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5 is that it represents an affordable entry into the world of high-end classic luxury cars.